Hello friends, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this class, we're going to practice some gentle QiGong movements to improve our flexibility and agility. Now let's get started. Find a warm place, even ground to stand. Feet are hip width. Cross the arms in front of you. Begin to swing the arms. You might pump the knees with the movement of the arms. Moving at your own pace. Keep the chin tucked. Spine is lengthening. Remember to keep the knees aiming towards the second toes. That will help to line up the knee joints with the ankles. That's something I always remind myself to do as I have knee issues. This helps to pump blood from our toes all the way to our head. You might grab the floor with your toes. Help to move the lymph systems. Slowly come back to center. You can have your hands on the waist. Neck roll clockwise. Very slow. Mindfully loosening up every muscle fiber on your neck. One more round. When it comes to the movement to the neck, we never want to rush through it. In counterclockwise, 3 rounds. Come back to center. Send the right elbow up, feeling the stretch on the right side of the body, through the pelvis, the rib cage, armpits. Now left elbow goes up. Think of you're using your wrist to comb your hair. This loosens the muscles across our back. It feels so good. One more on each side. You can go as slow as you need to. Come back to center. Hands on your knees. Roll the knees clockwise. Once again, keep the chin tucked a little, feeling the stretch through your tailbone, through the C7, in through the crown of your head. Counterclockwise. The core is engaged a little. At the same time, try to lengthen the pelvis back. So a gentle stretch over the low back as we rocking the knees. All right, come back to center. Rise up. Ooh, shake a little. Side to side. Releasing the tension. Gently twist into the spine. Come back to center. The next movement is called dog wags its tail. Send the hips to the right and left. We're moving the body laterally, thinking you are being pinched between two glass panels. This helps to open the joints laterally along the side of the spine. The chin is tucked. Once again, you can move faster or slower. Very nice. And come back to center. Roll the shoulders up and back. Reach the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, open arm, twist to the left. Reach that left arm back. Keep the arms parallel to the ground. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Inhale back to center. Exhale, open to the right. Reach the right fingertips back. Arms rise one more time on each side. The hips is square, facing forward. Arms rise, and then to the right. Bring the arms up, bend into the knees, slowly release down. Very good. Now I'm going to shake our wrists. Make a fist. Roll your wrists. I'll change the direction. Very good. Interlace the fingers and press the hands up to the sky. Hands hold up the heavens. Inhale. Exhale. Twist to the left. The hips are facing forward. Slowly back to center and twist to the right. Back to neutral. Release the arms. And shake the wrists. Step the feet a little wider to a horse stance. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, right fingers to the left toes. Inhale, send both arms to your right and up, double arrow. Exhale, bring the foot back. Now second side. Inhale, step the foot to the right. Exhale, left fingers to the right foot. Inhale, shovel the arms to the left. Exhale, come back. Let's do this 3 more times on each side. Step out, inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, arms rise, double arrow. Exhale, bring the foot back. Step the foot to the right. Left hand to the right foot. Rise, left arm up. Bring the foot back. 2 more on each side. Step the foot out to the left. Right hand, left foot. Arms to the right. Look up. Bring the foot back. Right foot out, arms extended. Left hand to the right toes. Arms to the left. Back to center. Last one. Left foot out. Right hand down. Both arms rise to the right. Back to center. Step the right foot to the side. Left hand, right toes. Arms to the left. Back to center. Very good. We did it. Shrug the shoulders. The next movement is called the tiger. It's a little bit challenging. Let's go very slow. Also, if you have neck issues, make sure you keep the neck lengthened. Basically, the key is to keep the chin tucked through the movement. Feet are hip width, and slowly extend the arms up. Continue cross the arms over your face. Then begin to hinge your hips and fold forward as you spread your arms to the side. But keep the spine parallel to the earth. Look down. Palms are facing the sky. The spine's lengthening, chin is tucked. From here, bend into the knees. The tiger is ready to jump. Inhale, jump up, hands together, interlace the fingers. Step the left foot out to the side and turn. Bring the hands down. Fingers are still interlaced. Inhale, lengthen the arms up, palms face up, lift the front toes. Keep the chin firmly tucked. Lengthen through the spine. Bring the arms closer to your ears. Inhale, exhale. Arms forward, bring it to parallel to the ground. Hold your fist tight, aim the knuckles forward. Side lunge to the left. Strong legs. Inhale, rise, hands down. Exhale, hands massage over the front line of the body. Flip the palms and lengthen the arms up, holding up the heavens. Keep the chin firmly tucked. Feel the engagement of the right glute. Inhale, exhale, come back to center. Now turn to the right, lower the hands. Fingers are still interlaced. Repeat on the second side. Inhale, lengthen the arms up, lift the toes. Anchor down the back foot. Palms face up, chin is tucked, full body stretch. Do not overly extend the spine and the neck. Inhale forward, side lunge to the right. Hold your fist tight, aim the knuckles forward. One more breath. Lift the chest over the arms. Hands massage over the front line of the body. Flip the palms and lengthen the arms up. Hands holding up the heavens. Chin is tucked. Front toes lifted. Inhale back to center. Bend into the knees and jump. Feet together. Walk your feet out. Swing side to side. Once again, bring up the bouncing, the happy bouncing. Bring the palms together. Gently cup your head. Back of the neck. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Torso. Kidneys. Along the back line of the legs. Feet. Toes inside of the feet. Come up along the inside of the legs. Massage your abdominals. This concludes our practice. Let me know how it went for you. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.